In case we're meeting for the first time, I'm Sha-day Johnson, and I'm the tech strategist and Paperbell expert for coaches. I focus on teaching you how to streamline and automate your coaching business using my favorite tech tools, one of them being Paperbell. What is Paperbell? Paperbell is the all-in-one tool that handles scheduling, payments, contract signing, and client management. So all of those admin tasks that come along with having a coaching business. Now, with Paperbell, your clients pay you either with a payment plan, ongoing subscription payments, pay you for your group coaching, or for multi-session packages, and they can schedule their appointments with you, they can sign contracts, and also access digital downloads inside of one online hub. So Paperbell was made specifically with coaches in mind, which is why I love it so much, because coaches are my people. Ongoing subscriptions. I do love this feature because it's another way for you to make money. So, I mean, who doesn't love that, right? So, when you're providing an ongoing subscription, this is basically going to allow your client to pay a set monthly fee for ongoing coaching. So, if you're wondering, okay, how is a subscription different from something else that I offer? So, for example, if you're offering like a 12-week one-on-one package, that has a start date and an end date because it's those 12 calls and we're done. With a subscription, though, there is no set end date. So, I like to look at subscriptions as something that you offer to someone that you've already worked with, because it makes sense as like the upsell after they're done working with you. So if they've completed your one-on-one program and they got that transformation, but they still need some support that maybe is outside of the scope of like what that program was, you can say, okay, hey, sign up for my monthly subscription where I'm going to charge you, $1,000 a month, and you'll get one call a week until you cancel. It's kind of like Netflix, Netflix for coaching, right? And so the nice thing about this is that it's going to be automatically charged. You don't have to create any invoices. It's just if I signed up for your subscription today, July 5th, and I paid my $1,000, it's going to charge me again on August 5th, $1,000, and in perpetuity until either you cancel or they cancel. And like I said, it's perfect for upsells and to continue to be able to support your clients. Now, if you're wondering how much this Paperbell costs, Paperbell is currently $57 per month or $570 for the year. And you can actually get a free account when you use my affiliate link, which is shadayjohnson.com/Paperbell. We've come to the end of this training. However, if you want to do a deeper dive into Paperbell and see how you can use it to build a six-figure coaching business with zero tech headaches, then I am inviting you to sign up to get instant access to my free training that I created. And if you go to shadayjohnson.com/training, you'll see a little sign-up form. Fill that out. I'll email it right on over to you so that you can start watching it. And what you're going to learn during that free training is how to use Paperbell um, without to sell your coaching programs without a website. So I was just talking about how, yeah, you can have a website, but if you don't, there's no need to worry. You can still make a bunch of money without one using Paperbell. You're also going to learn how Paperbell is actually different from all the other tools you've tried. So if you've tried, let's say, HoneyBook, or you've tried Dubsado, or you've heard of a bunch of other tools that coaches have been using, and maybe you've tried them and they just haven't worked out because maybe they're a little too complicated, I'm going to tell you how Paperbell is actually different from those and why I think you should be using Paperbell instead. And then I'm also going to show you how to provide a VIP client experience while saving at least 10 hours per week. So again, go to shadayjohnson.com/training to go ahead and get free access to that.